start by attaching the physics lab that I'm going to use today that I want to modify for an EL learner in my class. So I've gone ahead and I've attached the file. I have a PDF here, but you could easily use a doc. It really doesn't matter the file format. It can read all of them. And then I'm going to put in my prompt. So here I've put in, I have an English language learner from Ukraine that reads English at a 3rd grade level. The physics lab that is attached has instructions for how to do the lab. Please make a table of information, one with the instructions at a 3rd grade level and the other column translated into Ukrainian. Here we go. You can see it does it very quickly. Lab instructions on one side, Ukrainian translation on the other. When this is done, you can either copy the table as a screen grab, or if you just highlight it and copy it, when you put it into docs, you need to finagle it a little bit for it to look right. You can highlight it again once it's in docs and then ask chat to make it into a table using Google Gemini. But here you go. You've got the instructions in English on one side, broken down to a 3rd grade level, and Ukrainian translation right here on the side. So I can literally just highlight and paste, or I can, go ahead and do a Shift Command 4 to just grab this portion, and then I could send that little clip, just email it directly to the student.